Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the Steam Cloud Sync error, and I will show you guys the effective solution to fix this problem, so make sure you watch this entire video. First, go to the Steam and open up your Steam settings, and now here you have to just look for the cloud, and when you find the cloud just click on that, and here you will see the enable Steam Cloud. So make sure this is enabled, and if this is disabled then you can simply enable this. After that, just right click on your taskbar, open up your task manager, and now here you have to just look for the Steam. And after you look for the Steam, you have to just close it and then restart the Steam, and your problem is fixed. And guys, this is the first solution to fix this problem. And if this does not work for you, then you can simply open up your Steam again, click on the settings, go to the setting again. Now here simply go to the storage option you are seeing here, and now click on the three dot option you are seeing, and simply click on the repair library. So once you click on that, the this function will start repairing your corrupted files or any missing files. And after that, just click on the close and just restart your Steam, restart your game, and your problem is fixed. And if your problem is still not fixed, then you can just go to the game and then just simply right click on it, go to its properties, go to the install files, click on the verify integrity of the game files. So once you click on that, the Steam will start repairing your corrupted files or any missing files, and this built-in function will fix your problem automatically. After that, just restart the game and your problem is fixed. And guys, this is how you can fix the Steam Cloud error, and if your problem is fixed. So please make sure you like this video, because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.